In this video we're talking about procedural animation in After Effects. Look at this animation. It's smooth, it's wiggly, and it looks like it took 4 hours to tweak the graph editor. But if I open the timeline, 0 keyframes.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
And check this out. If the client calls me at 4:50 p.m. on a Friday and says, make it faster or make it twist more, I don't move a single keyframe. I just drag a few sliders. This is procedural animation. Animation driven by rules and expressions instead of keyframes. It's how the top 1% of motion designers work faster, sleep more, and avoid punching their monitors during client revisions. I'm Ivan, and today I'm teaching you 5 expressions that will turn you into a procedural animation god. Every layer in After Effects has a number, that's the index. Usually this number is useless, but in expressions we can reference that number instead of layer's name. And when we combine it with basic math to add some spacing between them, connect that number to a slider control and duplicate the second circle 20 times, we get 20 circles with adjustable spacing between them. Pro tip: if you want the spacing to increase exponentially, use multiplication or division. And if you want to spice things up a bit, apply the same thing on scale, opacity, effects. You can go really crazy with it. Okay, we wouldn't be calling ourselves motion designers if we left it like this. Let's put this thing in motion. Remember that snake animation from the intro? We're going to achieve that by manipulating time. Yeah, we're going full Doctor Strange here. We animate the Y position of our main circle, then on the second circle we add value at time. Normally a layer looks at the current time, but with this expression we tell the layer, don't look at where the main circle is now, look at where it was 0.5 seconds ago. Of course, we hook that delay up to a slider control, copy the expression and paste it onto all other circles. You animate one master layer and the other 20 follow it. If a client asks for a smoother flow, you just tweak the delay slider. You're literally bending the timeline to your will. The third expression, and my personal favorite, linear interpolation. It's simpler than it sounds. Here's the problem. You want a layer to scale up as it moves down. But position goes from 0 to 1080, scale goes from 0 to 100. Obviously, those languages don't match. Linear fixes that. It maps one range of values to another range of values. This basically says, when y is 0, make scale 20. When y is 1080, make scale 100. And calculate everything in between. You can map anything to anything, effects to audio, color to position. It's a universal translator between properties and effects. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Ivan, you said no keyframes, but the main circle still has position keyframes. Well, let's fix that.
Roads? Where we're going, we don't need roads.
To make our snake move up and down without keyframes, we use math sin time. This gives a number that oscillates between -1 and 1 forever. Obviously, it's way too slow and moving 1 pixel is boring, so we juice it up. We multiply time by a speed slider, and we multiply the whole result by a range slider. Now the snake moves forever and you have full control over speed, range, spacing, scaling, and all other cool stuff you can think of. Speaking of things that are cool, I know you don't want to type all these expressions out. I wouldn't either. So I put the entire project file with a snake and the animations from the intro in the description along with our expressions library. It's free and has over 140 copy-paste expressions. Both links are below, go check them out. Alright, the final expression won't just turn you into a pro, but into a god of procedural animation. It's called length, and it calculates the distance between 2 layers. Why do I need this, you think? Because when you combine length with linear, you create interaction. Imagine a force field. When the layer is close, scale up to 100%. When it's far away, scale down to 50. Now you aren't just animating, you're building responsive, interactive systems. You can use this for UI design, hover states, or just to flex on social media. So stop keyframing everything and start using procedural animations like a pro.